Hello everyone. So yes, I partnered up with Upchuck again for my retreats because I partnered with them for another retreat in Spain in 2026. I haven't been back to Spain since 2023. And this is in the Cabo Delgado, Spain, which is the southern part of Spain. We're like 10 minutes from the ocean. The venue is 10 minutes from the ocean. And what's amazing about this venue is that every single room is a private room. This is very unusual for retreats. Usually retreats is like a combination of private rooms and shared rooms. And the private rooms could be a little bit more expensive depending on where the venue is. So this is your chance to come to a great place with affordable private rooms, and we're near the coast. So you're going to get more bang for your buck because we're going to be doing coastal scenes. We'll be doing some landscapes, some urban sketching, obviously some still lifes and flowers and things like that too. But so you're getting all of it. Sometimes usually it's just like kind of more coastal or more landscapey or an urban sketchy. This time it's going to be everything. Well, we'll try to anyway. So I'm going to show you a little, not a slideshow, but basically a little video about the venue and where we're going. And yeah, there's some spots left. I would love for you to come. We always have a fantastic time. I have a lot of repeat people to my retreats because I try and make it fun and have a good learning experience. And it's perfect for any skill level, whether you're starting out or you've been painting for a while. I've had full-on newbies come into my retreats and they did phenomenal. So yes, don't worry if you feel like you're not a seasoned painter, you can't come. You totally could come. If you have any questions, always reach out to Upchuck. They can answer all the questions, especially for logistics and all that kind of stuff. So without further ado, check out the slide, and I hope to see you in Spain in 2026. Attending my watercolor retreat in sunny Almeria, Spain is more than just a creative getaway. It's a soul-nourishing journey into beauty, self-expression, and renewal. Surrounded by the golden light, rugged coastlines, and vibrant landscapes that have inspired artists for generations, you'll find the perfect setting to reconnect with your inner artist. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned painter, this retreat offers the time, space, and guidance to explore watercolor in a deep, meaningful way. Our daily painting sessions at the retreat are designed to just gently, powerfully deepen your artistic practice. By showing up each day, you'll begin to shed that self-doubt, loosen your creative blocks, and develop a more intuitive, confident relationship with your painting, as well as have fun in the process. Every room in the whole facility is a single room, so you don't have to worry about sharing with roommates. The property is actually beautiful, simple, serene. Wonderful Mediterranean food we'll be eating at this retreat, having some wonderful wine. You can't beat this. It's a life-changing experience. We'll be checking out Almeria, checking out the castle there, and painting some plein air while we're there, which is really great and gets you out of the comfort zone. Checking out the coastline as well, the wonderful lighthouse in Cabo Delgado. Retreats have been one of my favorite things to do. I love teaching people and having fun. We have lots of fun in my retreats, as you can see here, eating wonderful, delicious food, going on excursions. You make lifelong friends. Trust me, you'll have so much fun. So click the link below and book your spot. You don't want to miss this wonderful experience. I hope to see you there.